How to make poured candles. Melt clean beeswax in a double boiler to about 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut your wicks to the desired candle height. For jar candles, this will be about the height of the jar. For tea light candles, this will be about a ½ inch taller than the container. Dip the metal end of a wick into the molten wax. Press the wick base into the container, making sure it is centered. Using a pouring container, fill the jar or tea light to the desired height. Pour the wax at a constant speed, filling each container in one steady motion. Readjust the wicks to ensure they are still centered. Allow the candles to cool completely. If the surfaces of your candles are sunken or cracked, you may be able to correct them by applying heat to the surface.